Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting into the keyboard quickly. Make sure Realme keyboard is updated. Once done, open a text field like Messages or Notes and tap the keyboard. You're looking for keyboard options, either a gear icon on the toolbar or a long press on the comma or emoji key to reveal settings. Do this now so you're in the keyboard settings screen. This step puts you exactly where the voice typing toggle and related permissions live. Next, navigate to voice input or speech-to-text within the keyboard settings. Toggle on voice typing and select your preferred language. Make sure accents and secondary languages are added if you need them. When the system asks, grant microphone permission so the keyboard can capture audio. Also confirm any online recognition setting if you want cloud accuracy. Once permissions are allowed, you'll see a microphone icon on the keyboard. Finish by testing voice typing. Tap the microphone and speak a sentence to check accuracy and punctuation handling. If recognition is off, go back and add languages or download an offline speech pack for better local performance. You can also tweak sensitivity or auto-punctuation. If it still won't work, make sure the microphone permission is enabled in System App Settings, then restart the keyboard or reboot the phone. These steps resolve most issues and get you dictating smoothly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.